Welcome to Global Auto Hub. The Toyota Camry has been one of the best-selling midsize sedans in the world for decades. Known for its reliability, comfort, and impressive fuel efficiency, it continues to be a top choice for drivers who want a practical yet stylish vehicle. The latest model brings an upgraded design, improved technology, and a refined driving experience that sets it apart from its competitors. Under the hood, the Camry offers multiple engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a fuel-efficient 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and economy. For those seeking more performance, the 3.5-liter V6 engine provides a thrilling driving experience with smooth acceleration. Additionally, the hybrid variant is an excellent choice for those who prioritize fuel economy without compromising on power. Step inside, and you'll find a well-designed interior that emphasizes both comfort and functionality. The seats are spacious and supportive, making long drives more enjoyable. The dashboard features a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Higher trims offer luxury touches such as leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, and heated and ventilated seats. Toyota has also ensured that safety remains a priority in the Camry. Equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense, it includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These advanced driver assistance technologies enhance overall security, making the Camry a dependable choice for families and daily commuters. The exterior design of the Camry strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and sophistication. With a sleek aerodynamic body, bold front grille, and sharp LED headlights, it exudes a modern and dynamic look. Sportier trims, such as the Camry XSE, come with unique styling elements, including larger alloy wheels, a rear spoiler, and dual exhaust tips, adding a touch of aggressiveness to its appearance. One of the key reasons behind the Camry's continued success is its reputation for durability. Owners often report that with proper maintenance, the Camry can easily last well beyond 200,000 miles. Its resale value remains strong, making it a smart investment in the long run. Toyota's engineering excellence ensures that this sedan remains reliable and easy to maintain, further reinforcing its position as a leader in its segment. For those looking for a midsize sedan that offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, technology, and reliability, the Toyota Camry stands out as a top contender. Whether you're commuting in the city, taking long road trips, or looking for a family-friendly car with advanced safety features, the Camry continues to deliver on all fronts.